What's up, Dame Gang? It's your boy Dame Dash, and I'm back with another video for y'all. Hey y'all, did you miss me? I hope so. I miss you guys so much. Happy Monday. It is Monday, and today we have Jimmy John's. Just something light, something quick. Y'all know I love eating Jimmy John's. This is something that I eat a lot when I'm off camera. Just an Unwich. I got the gargantuan Unwich. Added bacon. I got extra mayo on there. A whole pickle. Some chips. Y'all, I'm gonna go back to keto. I promise. I'm working on something, and I'm really about to start back. So I just wanted to try my favorite chips one more last time. And I had made some spaghetti on Saturday night, and we got like leftovers. So I want to get that up out of here, and then I'm gonna go straight to that keto. Okay. So yeah. So let's get into this food. I am starving. Hold on. I'm back. I had to take my what them called? Them trays out my mouth because I know I seen a comment was like, why don't you do that off camera? They had a little nasty. Let's take a thumbnail. And I agree. It's a little sloppy. I hope y'all having a great day. Happy Monday. Well, I didn't say that already. I've been on the ziggity boom, y'all. I had drunk a Celsius, which is an energy drink. It's a healthy one, zero sugar, everything like that. I had to go through all my orders. I got so many orders for butters. I had to ship out. I went through everyone, counted each flavor. Got them ready to get picked up tomorrow. Cleaned my closet. I'm still cleaning my closet. Cleaned the kitchen. Cleaning my studio. Responded to email. Responding to brands. There's so much stuff that I did today. And now it's 8 o'clock. And I'm filming this video, so you guys are gonna get it around 9:30. I hope y'all watched my vlog from yesterday on my vlog channel, Life with Dame Dash. Make sure y'all are subscribed to that channel as well. I do post vlogs on Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And if I miss one of my posting days, I always post it the very next day. I absolutely love Jimmy John's food. I like cold cuts and sandwiches and stuff like that. Especially if I'm not in the mood to really eat like that. Give me a sandwich, okay? Some sandwich and some fries. And that's the mood I'm in. Whenever y'all see Jimmy John's on this channel, and you will see it a lot now, that's the mood I'm in. I don't know what I want to eat. I'm not really hungry like that. I'm going to go to what I know. And it's so good. Okay. I got a little topic. I just want to know a little feedback about the situation. And what brought it to my attention was when I ordered this food. Wait, let me clarify this one thing because I ain't checked this yet. Let me see. Just to make sure. Okay. Nope. Alright. Okay, so I ordered my Jimmy John's. I don't remember the time I ordered it. But I ordered it while I was working because I didn't feel like stopping to go get no food, you know. And when I order, I normally just order directly from their app. They get their own app. Order my food, and I always pay with Apple Pay. And I always tip. It's like a little thing at the bottom where it says leave tip. I always tip a couple dollars. But this time, I didn't. And I didn't know. So I thought that I did because I normally always do. So I go to the door. And the lady gave me my food. And she got her receipt. And she says, hey, I see that you don't leave a tip here. I wanted to know were you interested in leaving a tip? And I was like, I did. I left a tip. I always do. You know, I did on Apple Pay. She was like, no, don't say it. I don't see it here. And I was like, oh, okay. I must have, forgot or whatever. So I left her a $5 tip. She was like, oh, thank you so much. Thank you. She was so nice about it. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't snappy or rude or anything like that. But what brought this to my attention, or just something I wanted to know, is like, how do y'all feel about leaving tips every single where you go? Every little place you go to and you buy something from, 9 times out of 10, it has that option, leave a tip. Every time you go somewhere, it always has this line. I'll make sure my address ain't in here. But I always have this line right here. It always have this line. Nowadays, everywhere you go. So, do you guys leave tips everywhere you go? Anywhere you go that has that? Do you leave a tip? Or is it like you pick and choose when you're going to leave a tip or not? This situation, I feel like you can leave a tip. You know what I'm saying? It's delivery or whatever. It's like a food or whatnot. You know what I'm saying? But it be a lot of places everywhere. A lot of places that ask for tips for everything. Do you guys leave a tip for everything? When you go out to eat, back in the day, I was always told when you go out to eat, you need to leave a tip because you're getting service. You know what I'm saying? You're running that waitress or waiter ragged, okay? If you don't have enough money to go out to eat and to leave a tip, they would say you shouldn't go. Now, I'm going to be honest. Back in the day, my mama didn't leave no damn tip. My mama did not leave no tip. My mama did not leave tips, y'all. I was a kid, my mama didn't leave no tip. You had to be like top tier, ain't sleep on nothing, and her be in a good mood. My mama was super cheap. I don't know. God rest her soul. But I leave tips when we go out, you know? I leave tips. But it'd be like, I'm trying to think of a place. Like, it'd be places that be like ridiculous. Like, you didn't absolutely do nothing. Like the casino, when you go in, it's self-serve. You get everything yourself. Every single thing yourself. And they got an option to leave a tip. And the people be sitting there waiting for the answer. Like, are you going to leave it or not? Certain things, I just feel like, nah. And then everything be so high. I don't know. Certain places. I know Mylan said when he go to Crumble Cookie, the cookie place, he don't leave no tip. But everything now, I mean everything. And the minute clothing store is gonna have the option. Clothing store is gonna have the option. Hell, that's the only place that don't. Retail. Every restaurant, every bar, every place of service, everywhere. And the minute the gas station gonna start doing it because they ring you up. There's a lot of restaurants that just ring you up. You wanna leave a tip? And then let's talk about places where it's automatically gratuity included. I done been to a place where it's automatically gratuity included no matter how many people. It's gonna be one person or two people. But then I go some places where it's after 6 people, it's automatically included. The service from a place where you gotta work for your tip is always better than a place where it's automatically included. Sometimes, you know? I've been to a place, it was like 6 of us, the server was horrible. Horrible. They only had, it was like 12, I think of us, and they only gave us 1 server. And the people we was out to eat with, I mean, if I was a server, I would have quit. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what I feel like the server did. He came to the table like every few times, you know. Only a few times. Didn't nobody get no refills on that drink. Didn't nobody do anything. And he had gratuity already added to the bill. Service sucked. And I feel like it was because he should have had 2 servers at a table that big. But the service still sucked. Couldn't get no refills on anything. Problem with your food, you gotta wait till anybody walk past, flag them down. Nobody was coming past to check on you. I don't know. It's just like these situations, it's be like, wow. 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 And then the places sometimes they automatically get the tip. They also have a spot where it says additional tip. If you want to leave an additional one. And 9 times out of 10, a lot of people don't pay attention and then they tip on top of the tip they already left. And they won't say anything. They won't be like, you know, you already left me a tip. You know you left me a tip already. No, they be getting tipped. Okay? My friend, I had to catch. I was like, you about to leave her $38 and you already gave her a tip of $40? That's a big tip. She was like, oh my God. And I said something because it was a restaurant with the bad service. And the tip was automatically included. Don't get me wrong. I leave tips. I feel like my tips be good. But I'm just saying a lot of places, the service is horrible. Do y'all still leave tips when a service is horrible? Do you leave additional tips? And do you feel like everywhere you go that offers a service and it has that option to leave a tip, do you leave a tip? Let's talk about it in the comments. I'm going to be in the comments today. I want to know. We being real. We being real honest. I tipped my barber. I tip my barber when I get a haircut. I tip the nail salon when I get my toes and my feet manicured. Bartenders, of course, we can go dining to eat for sure. But when you go to Chipotle, do you tip? Because 9 times out of 10, it's the restaurants that you gotta walk in that has that option. But if it's a drive-thru, I don't think they ever leave. You wanna leave a tip on the side. Like Wendy's and McDonald's don't do that. Jimmy John's do that if you walk in or get it delivered. I know Qdoba do it, I think. And Chipotle. Crumble Cookie. A lot of walk-in places. Especially if you take credit card. They take credit card, debit card? And then some places, where was we at? I think in California, no matter what you spent on your credit card or debit card, it was a 75-cent fee. I know here, if you don't spend more than $5, they'll charge you 50 cents or something like that. But some places, I know in California when I was there, no matter what you spent, it was 75 cents too. to swipe your card. Cause we had went to the liquor store and spent like $300 on liquor and stuff, and each swipe was 75 cents. I was like, dang, no matter how much you spend, it was like, yep. Roll out, yep. Stuff is higher. Let me know. Because it can just be a gesture of thank you. But I know some people, you just slide a few dollars to. Like my mail lady, when I used to have a whole lot of orders and stuff, I used to just slide her a couple dollars. You know. Let's just say thank you. But do you feel required? I know some people who feel like if a person really asks them for a tip, it make them feel away. You know, like if you ask for a tip, it make them feel away, and they don't feel like they want to leave it or do it. But they do say closed mouths don't get fed. They do later. They say closed mouths don't get fed. I ain't trying to ruffle nobody's feathers down in the comment section. I know how y'all like to test them. I know there'll probably be a lot of servers and people, you know, in the restaurant industry and stuff like that. I am not trying to say do not tip people. I'm not saying that. I'm just asking questions, okay? Just ask some questions, so go ahead and unravel your panties. And loosen up. We're just talking. Oh my God, y'all. Did y'all hear about Traci Braxton? One of the Braxton sisters who passed away from cancer. It's so sad. She was so funny and real and honest. She didn't care. From watching on the TV, Braxton's Family Values. She was so blunt. I really love Traci. She was 50. And she was battling cancer for a year. He passed away, I think it was Friday. Rest in peace. And I know that family is taking it so hard because they were so close. Let's throw this up. Oh, that hit the spot, y'all. I really enjoyed this meal. I love y'all so much. I'm about to get out of here and get this video to you. It is 8:30. Oh yeah, I'm good. Thank y'all for watching. Please make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share this video with anyone and everyone. Let me know what we're doing over here. We constantly winning, we constantly growing. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Love you. Peace. Love you.